Hi guys, this is Mas from the channel The Tech Dude, and today I am going to review these sports sound stereo Bluetooth hand frees. I got these hand frees for $8 and they are really cheap. Let's see what these hand frees offers us in $8. So these hand frees have microphone in them and they can be connected to Android and iPhone too, and these are some features that it gives: about 3 hours use and 100 hours standby. So its battery can stand up to 3 hours in use and 100 hours in standby. We can voice dial and redial with these hand frees, and they have a 10-meter range and they have up to 3 hour talk time. So it is same like 3 hours of use or 3 hours of talk time. Let's unbox it. So guys, I have unboxed this Bluetooth hand frees and we are going to see what we get with these hand frees. We have this data cable. It is a very tiny data cable, and we have the Bluetooth hand frees here. These Bluetooth hand frees are made of metal. This is metal, and we have the power on button here and volume increase button here and volume down button here. I will turn on this Bluetooth hand free to tell you how it looks when it's on. So this Bluetooth hand free is now on and it's requiring a Bluetooth device to connect with it. We will turn it back off. So now it's off, and we have the charging port here. If it's open up, so we have the charging port here, and it has the normal Android port. We can charge it with our Android mobile data cable. I would recommend you to buy these hand frees because they are very cheap and they are giving a very good quality product in $8. I would not recommend you to use these cheap data cables, like it is very small and I can feel that it is of very cheap quality. So ignore using this cheap data cable. So guys, this was the video, and please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, give a like, and we will meet in the next video.